Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by isolating the blazer so edits affect only the fabric, not skin or background. Duplicate the background and work non-destructively. This protects the original. Use quick selection for speed, switching to the pen tool on tight seams, and refine the mask with select and mask so edges stay natural. Once done, apply a layer mask and clean it with a soft brush at 20–40% opacity because subtle blending prevents halos and keeps lapels crisp. Next, decide how you'll change the color. Quick shifts use hue/saturation, while solid color fill layers let you pick a precise swatch. Add the adjustment as a clipping mask so it targets only the blazer. Change blend mode to color for hue-only changes or soft light for depth. Then tweak opacity to blend. If the fabric needs highlights or shadow correction, add a curves layer clipped to the mask. This preserves texture while matching scene lighting. Finish by refining edges and restoring texture so the blazer looks realistic. Zoom in and paint on the mask with a soft, low-opacity brush to recover stitched seams or specular highlights. Once main color is set, add targeted adjustment layers for shadows and highlights. Mask each one so luminance matches the scene. Make sure to view at 100% and toggle the color layer on /off to confirm realism. If things go wrong, check mask.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.